And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very fun and tasty video. We're going to be making 3 keto desserts, well 3 cookie keto desserts, and I'm super excited about this video because I get to try something new and taste it. So if this is something you're interested in, then stay tuned. Alright y'all, the first thing we're going to do is set our oven to 350. And the first cookie we're going to be making is the peanut butter cookie. So we're going to need 1 cup of peanut butter. Any peanut butter will do. I chose the natural one because it had the less sugar. We're going to need a half a cup of sweetener of choice and 1 egg. And we're just going to mix that all together until it's cool.
You feel it taking over you. To the center of your core.
Then we're going to need to line the cookie sheet with parchment paper. But if you don't have parchment paper and you have a cookie mat, that works. Or even Pam, I just had the parchment paper on hand.
Remember, I told you if we dance.
Then we're just going to take the peanut butter cookies and just roll them into balls. Some of them I make a little bit bigger, but I had to go back and make them smaller. Oven for 15 minutes. I would keep an eye on them after 10 minutes because my oven cooked them a little fast. Then this wouldn't be a Lindsay cooking video without something being forgotten. I just forgot to press my fork into the cookies so they would lay flat and cook all the way.
I'm superheroes. I'm silver.
Chocolate chip cookies. We're going to need a half a cup of softened butter. I use Kerry Golds. We're going to need 1/3 cup of sweetener of choice, and we're just going to mix those together.
So keep on dancing, baby.
Then we're going to add the 2 eggs one at a time, just so it can get
baby.
Once that is combined, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to add 2 cups of blanched almond flour.
We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you when you are
I'm going to add the half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting.
Once all of that is mixed together, we're just going to fold the chocolate chips in. You're supposed to do it with a spatula, but all I had was a spoon. Butter cookies out, and we're going to let them rest on this cookie tray for 5 minutes. Back to the chocolate chip cookies. We're just going to roll them into balls and put them in the oven for 7 minutes. And then once the timer goes off, we're going to rotate the pans and set the timer for another 7 minutes.
I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking it's the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give.
on to my favorite recipe, which is the snickerdoodle cookie. We're gonna need 2 cups of super fine almond flour.
Wanna give you more of my life.
Then we're gonna need 3/4 cup of sweetener of choice, and then 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're gonna need 1/2 cup of salted butter softened. I just used the same butter as the
Supposed to go if we never
Now it's time to take the chocolate chip cookies out of the oven.
found where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the waste of me. Hoping that it's still you and me.
To make the coating for the snickerdoodle cookies, we're just gonna need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and then 2 tablespoons of sweetener of choice.
Wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh,
Then we're gonna roll the cookies in balls, and then we're gonna like roll them around into the mixture so they are well coated, and then we're gonna put them in the oven for 15 minutes.
minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was.
And I'm not sure if I have said this already, but all 3 cookie recipes need the oven set to 350.
Give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh.
Once the cookies are done, we're just gonna leave them on the pan to let them cool.
Hey, yeah.
Okay guys, all the cookies are done, so the recipes will be linked down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more cook with me's, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.